Bentley Descartes CONNECT Edition tutorial. How to use Quick Section tool. Step-by-step operations. Step 1. Import a 3MX reality model. Step 2. Set in the Extract tab. Step 3. Open reality model presentation. Step 4. Create a quick section. Step 5. Define the section footprint. Step 6. Adjust the setting to display an area of interest. In Reality Modeling ribbon, click the Attach tab, then open a reality mesh in 3MX format. Set in Extract tab. Open Reality Model Presentation. Create a quick section. Define the section settings. Draw the section footprint. The purple arrow indicates the viewing direction. Define the thickness of the section. Move the section forward or backward. The step between consecutive sections is indicated here and can be modified anytime. The display mode can also be modified to a single cut line.